Hi y'all, this is Nisha here. Welcome to the yet another video. So today it isn't about outing, it's just a rainy day at home. Now in today's video I'll be showing few glimpses of the rain and the recipe of an easy snack apt for the rainy ambience with a coffee. So before heading, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and thank you for staying. Actually, we had planned an outing today, but when it started raining, we thought of spending our leisure time in the house. Now, the rain intensity has also increased, as you can see, and sometimes we had a wind too. I love the sound of the rain, but thunders, actually, no, it's fine. But when I was a kid, I used to get scared of the thunder. Remember those times when I used to hide beside my mom? And something I love most is the smell of the rain when the rain kisses the grounds. There are many quotes about the rain, and something I like is that some people feel rain, others just get wet. From Roger Miller. Now, in this raining ambience, thought of making a quick hot snack and, of course, a cup of hot coffee. Now, coming on to the snack, it's an easy recipe, and majority, I think, not majority, maybe all must be knowing. It is because I think this might be something usual in all the houses in Kerala, and as an evening snack, especially, we do make for our kids. Now, for the snack, I have taken 3 bananas, that is ripened Kerala bananas. I have taken. We will be first removing the skin and cutting into half, then into the thin slits. We will be heating a pan and adding some kneaded ghee and fry the both sides into a brown color. That is just shallow fry. Place it into a serving plate and sprinkle some sugar on top, and that's it. Our banana fritters ready. I'll be making a hot cup of coffee also. Now into a cup I'll be adding kneaded coffee powder, that is as per your taste. If you want it to be more strong, you can add more with kneaded sugar. Then into it I'll be pouring 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water and beating it well until we get a creamy mixture. Into it I'll be pouring our hot milk and mixing it well. At last, sprinkle with some coffee powder on top. Our coffee is also ready. As it was still raining, I just engaged my kids with indoor game caroms. So, I hope you all enjoyed my small vlog on a rainy evening. And thank you for watching. And until we see you for the next time, this is Nisha. Take care and bye.